Hello everyone, it's Maddie from Spectrum Art, and I have Madison laying here next to me, but she is unwell. Unfortunately, she has caught a bug, and you know, 'tis the season, right? So she's got a fever and a runny nose and a sore throat and all that stuff. But she is here, and we were dying to get into this, and I'm sure this will cheer her up, as Happy Mail always does. So we are going to be opening up this awesome package, which we can't wait to get into. And this was actually sent to us by Crafter in the Rough, Abril, or Abril, because I always say it wrong, sorry. And she has an amazing channel, and she does a lot of sharing and makes the cutest journal. She just made one for Christmas that was stunning. So I'll be sure to link that below so you guys can go check out her channel if you don't already know her, or if you missed that video. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this off camera, because on the other side, of course, is the personal information, and then we'll get to revealing what is inside, and hopefully this will cheer Madison up. So let's take a look. What, baby? You like Miss Abril? Yes, she is a wonderful, wonderful person. Oh, my Lanta. No, she didn't. Abril! Look at Madison. Candy, Now or Laters. I love Now or Laters. Actually, I didn't even know they were still making them. Oh, my goodness. Let me show it first to the camera, and then I'll show it to you. Reese's peanut butter cups. So I must have mentioned it, or she must have asked. That is too much of a coincidence, because this is my favorite candy, and this is like my third favorite candy, so there's no way, and I don't even do much candy. Oh, come on. Yeah, she must have asked me. She had to have asked me in a sly way, and I kind of missed it, and I told her in conversation somewhere, because these are like amongst my favorites. So there's no way she knew that, oh, that was a coincidence. Oh, what a sneaky, sneaky girl she is. Wowzer. Okay, let me move these over, because they're going to go in my belly. I love how Madison just rolls her eyes. And yeah, do you remember when your mom used to embarrass you? I love that now. I get it. I get when my parents used to do it. It is awesome to say the craziest things and just watch your kids, you know, roll their eyes and think that you're crazy. I love it. But anywho, look at this. These, she had actually gotten 2 tubs, and I had mentioned to her that I love them. They're like chipboard. They are chipboard. And I think she got them at Target. I'm pretty sure it was Target. And anywho, we were talking about pocket letters and, you know, all these other crafts, and we love to do canvases, and I was thinking how neat, like the silhouettes. Look at these things. It's a spider web, I'm sure. It is. It almost looks like a sprocket too. So that could work for gears, almost like steampunk stuff. Look at the skeleton, so cute. So hopefully the glare's not too bad for you guys. It probably is, because I have to have a lot of lights, unfortunately, on. It's nighttime now, and it's very dark down here. But I had mentioned these to her, and so she sent them to me. So thank you so much, Avril. And then she sent me the other bag, which she had too. Oh, it kind of opened up on the side. And that's a good thing, because I can show you guys. It's got fall pieces. Like, oh my, I love this. Yes. That does not say Halloween. I mean, fall at all. It could be anything. Do you see that? And it's all shiny. It's a heart. That could be Valentine's. That could be anything. Look at these. Oh, the little leaves. Oh, look how cute. So these are another humongous bag of chip. My goodness, there must be like 100 or more pieces in here. I've chipboard, which she was using and I fell in love with, and she was so sweet that she went ahead and sent me some. So thank you, or sent us some, I should say. Thank you so much, Abril. We love them, and these could be used for fall or just about anything else. Oh, I like that. That's so different. Why not? Yes. It doesn't have to be orange. That's so cool. So we will have all these adorable pieces to work with. Thank you so very much for my Halloween and my fall goodies, as well as all this candy. Thank you so much, sweet friend. And again, if you guys have any questions or I'm pretty sure it was Target, but I'm sure she can correct me in the comments. And if you want to know, just go ahead and leave it in the comments as well, and I can always find out from her. But thank you so much. I love our community for that same reason, because we have such magnificent friends and such loving friends and supportive people around us. And I want to thank you all so much for that, both all those who I craft with and who we exchange stuff with, but also everyone that watches our videos, because we do it all because of you guys, because you guys are watching and we love sharing with you. So once again, thank you for all the support. And I hope you guys are all having a magnificent fall. Thanksgiving just passed, so I hope it was a blessed one, and that you have a blessed Merry Christmas. And December's coming right up, and so it's going to be fantastic to celebrate the season, right? So once again, thank you so much, and we will see you guys soon. Thanks again, Abril. We love it all, and it sure cheered Madison up, and that is an extra blessing. So thank you so much. Bye.